Hello viewers, today I'm showing you how to make donuts. For starters, here we've got 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of butter, 11 grams of instant yeast, a cup and a half of milk. Let's get started. This is equivalent to 500 grams of flour, in case you're using a scale. Then we're going to put a bit of salt to taste. About a quarter teaspoon to a half teaspoon. Okay. Now we put in our instant yeast. 11 grams. Mix that together. We add in 2 eggs. And now we add softened butter. And mix that. Then now we add our milk. When adding, this is lukewarm milk. Shouldn't be room temperature. You heat it up a bit. Shouldn't be too hot, just warm. At this stage, we turn to our hands. We knead the dough using our hands. So at this stage, I'm going to add in another half cup of flour. Slowly, a bit at a time, so that we get to the consistency that we're looking for. So you knead your dough for about 10 minutes. When it gets to this stage, I'm going to rub in a bit of oil. And cover it with cling wrap. You can cover with a wet clean cloth, or you can cover it with plastic wrap and let it rise for about 1 hour. You need to put it where there is heat, either direct sunlight. If you don't have direct sunlight, you can heat up your oven for 5 minutes, then you turn it off, then you put it in the oven for an hour until it doubles in size. So let's let this rest. I'll show you how it will come out after an hour. Now our dough has risen, it has doubled in size. Now we're going to put it on a mat and punch it down. Now divide it, because I want to make long donuts and ring donuts. For the ring donuts, you roll to about 1/4 inch thick. Just like that. And I'm using a tumbler. There's a cutter. You can use a tip. We're placing it on a tray so that they rise again before we fry them. Now let's do the long donuts. I think I'll cut. This is for the long donuts. Now we have our ring donuts and our long donuts. So we let these rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. Just to puff up a bit before we fry them. Now our donuts have puffed up. In here we've got a saucepan with hot oil. You need to have space for the donuts to fry nicely. So we'll fry the longer ones on their own separately. So we fry until they're golden brown. Now they're ready. We're putting them in a bowl with paper so that we drain off the excess oil. Let's fry the longer donuts. this is how my donuts came out. Please watch out for part 2 when I'm showing you how to decorate them. Thank you for watching.